In this video, I will walk you through how to link Epidemic Sound to your YouTube. Before we proceed, if you find this video valuable, we kindly encourage you to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Your support inspires us to produce more content like this. If you are a content creator on YouTube, connecting Epidemic Sound to YouTube lets creators use top-notch music legally, avoiding copyright problems. This helps enhance videos with professional soundtracks and safely monetize content through YouTube's Content ID system. So, to link your Epidemic Sound account to your YouTube channel, you must utilize the SafeList feature provided by Epidemic Sound. This feature allows you to manage which channels can legally use Epidemic Sound's music without copyright issues. Simply start by logging into your Epidemic Sound account and navigating to the Safe Listings section, where you can manage all your safe-listed channels. Depending on your subscription type, you can safe-list different numbers of channels per platform. A personal subscription allows one channel per social media platform, podcast feed, and website, while a commercial subscription permits up to 3 channels per platform. To add a new YouTube channel, you only need to access the Safe Listings section and enter the unique channel, URL, or ID for the platform you're interested in. It means simply type in the channel name you wish to safe list. Then, select it from the drop-down that appears and click Add it. If you encounter issues where the channel appears to already be safe-listed under another Epidemic Sound account, ensure that you're inputting the correct information. If the problem persists, you may need to resolve any conflicts or contact Epidemic Sound support for further assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively link your YouTube to Epidemic Sound's music, ensuring compliance with copyright regulations and enhancing your content creation capabilities on YouTube. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. For additional tutorials and resources covering a variety of topics, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.